Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to transfer Avalanche, AVAX, from Binance to MetaMask in 2025. Whether you're a crypto newbie or an experienced trader, this step-by-step guide will help you move your assets securely and efficiently. Why do this? MetaMask gives you more control over your tokens for DeFi activities, staking, or just better management. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Binance and MetaMask. Start by logging into your Binance account. Head over to the Wallet section and select Spot Wallet or Funding Wallet, where your AVAX is stored. Once there, find your AVAX balance and click on Withdraw. Next, you'll need to add the Avalanche network to your MetaMask wallet if it isn't already. Open MetaMask, click on the network dropdown, usually at the top, and select Add Network. Enter the Avalanche mainnet details. Network name is Avalanche, RPC URL is https://api.avax.network/x/bc/c/rpc . Chain ID is 43114, and symbol is AVAX. Save it, and now switch to the Avalanche network in MetaMask. Now, back to Binance. In the withdrawal page, select AVAX as the asset. For the Address field, copy your MetaMask wallet address. Make sure you're on the Avalanche network in MetaMask when you do this to avoid any mix-ups. Enter the amount you want to withdraw, double-check for any minimum limits, and hit Withdraw. You'll be prompted to confirm with 2FA for security. After initiating the transfer, Binance will process it, and it might take a few minutes to an hour depending on network congestion. Keep an eye on your MetaMask for the incoming transaction. Pro tip: always verify the network to prevent sending funds to the wrong chain, which could mean losing your assets forever. Also, be aware of withdrawal fees on Binance. They're usually small but worth noting. Once it shows up in MetaMask, you're all set. You've successfully transferred your AVAX. This process keeps your crypto journey smooth and secure. If you run into any issues, double-check your addresses and networks. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped. Subscribe for more crypto tutorials, and let me know in the comments if you have questions. See you next time.